Hello, friends. This is Arun, your friend and success coach. Today, I'm going to talk about how to manage stress. We all know that stress is something that is prevalent in the society, and almost everyone will have some form of stress or the other. So, how do we take care of stress in these tough situations, especially when COVID 19 is here? People have been impacted in all walks of life, whether you're in business, whether you're in service, whether you're a self employed person, it doesn't matter. Everyone, every country almost is impacted by COVID 19. So, how do we manage stress is something I'm going to share with you. It's a very simple and effective technique, and best thing is you don't have to spend any money to use this technique. So let's begin. Let's say I hold this glass of water in front of me and I hold it for next few minutes. What will happen? Nothing, because the weight of the glass is not too much, even though the water is full, but still it's not going to really impact me in any which way, because I can easily hold this weight for a few minutes. But if I have to hold this glass for, let's say, 1 hour, what will happen? My hand will start aching, my muscles will get weak, and it may be that I drop this glass after feeling tired. What happens if I hold this glass for a couple of hours? It will be virtually impossible for me to continuously hold this glass for a couple of hours without taking any break or rest. So imagine if a glass of water can cause stress in my body if I hold it for too long. What will happen if the same stress is in my body all the time? If I'm mentally impacted by stress. People who have stress problem, they can actually, because at the end of the day it's all in our mind. If our mind is impacted by the stress, then it will happen that our entire physical and mental health will get impacted. We will start having digestion problems, we will have starting sleep problems, we will have decision making issues. So there's so many things which can bother us if we hold on to stress for too long. So today I'm going to talk to you about a technique which is called EFT, which stands for Emotional Freedom Technique. It's a very proven technique. Like I said, it's been based on two things. One is the Chinese acupressure technique, and second is the modern science technique. And the idea is that there are certain meridian points in each one's body, and if you tap those meridian points, it helps us in eliminating stress. It can also be used to take care of any pain that we may have in our body. Some people use it for weight loss as well, and many people use it to attract money as well. So the benefits are many. Let's start with the EFT. I'm going to first show you the meridian points, and you would have noticed I have removed my specs because that can interfere in properly using this technique. The other thing you need to be careful is you need to take care of your nails. Your nails should not be too big. If they are big, then it might cause you injury. So try and make sure that your nails are properly cut. So the first meridian point is in the palm of your hand, or what is called as karate point. So this is where you need to tap. The second meridian point is in the center of your head. This is the second point where we will tap. The third point is where your eyebrows begin. That's the third point. The fourth point is at the edge of your eyebrows. The fifth point is under your eyes. The sixth point is under your nose, right in the middle. The eighth point is on your chin, so just in between your lips and the bottom of the chin. The eighth meridian point is on your collarbone. So the easiest way to impact it is, tap it with this kind of hand movement. So both the collarbones will be, impacted by this. And the last meridian point is below your armpits, so roughly 3 inches below, and this is where you need to tap. So these are the 9 points where you need to tap. And once you begin, the first thing you need to do is deep breathe. Inhale, exhale. Get into a quiet place where there is no disturbance. And what you need to do is imagine something which is bothering you. It could be something related to your office, it could be something related to your business, something related to your finances. It could be an old injury which could be impacting you, or it could also be, let's say, something which somebody has given you an emotional hurt you badly. So that could be another way which you could look at. So whatever it is, first you need to close your eyes and imagine what is the level of pain or the stress and where exactly it is. So on a scale of 1 to 10, let's say at this point of time I have slight pain in my body in this area. On a scale of 1 to 10, maybe it's at 5. For some people it could be higher, for some people it could be low. What I need to do is, I need to now also see if there is any incident because of which this pain is happening, and also rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest and 1 being the lowest. Once you have done that, then you close your eyes and start tapping on all the 9 points which I have told you, and you need to keep repeating some of these things which I am going to share with you. You can substitute the last few lines based on whatever problem you have. So if you have pain, you can substitute pain. If you have emotional stress, you can substitute that. If you have any financial issues, you can substitute that. So whatever it is, you can always customize it based on your current situation. So even though I have this pain in my body, but until now I have not acknowledged this because I feel that this pain may not go away. But now I have decided to acknowledge this stress, and I am confident that I'll find a solution to this pain. Even though this pain has been bothering me for quite some time, but I have not made use of this technique to overcome the pain. I completely and deeply love myself. I also believe in the law of attraction and law of universe. I am confident that by using this technique, I'll be able to overcome any pain that I'm going through right now. I'm also confident that even though I do not have the complete solution with me, but I'll be able to take one step at a time and find the complete solution. I have had this pain for far too long, but I completely and deeply love myself. I feel confident that by using this technique, I'll be able to overcome the pain and release any stress or pain that I have in my body. I'm confident that I'll be completely free of any pain or stress, and the solutions will start appearing in front of me. I'm centered, I'm grounded, I'm centered, I'm grounded. I inhale peace and happiness. I exhale things that I don't need. I inhale peace and happiness. I exhale things that I don't need. So friends, you can repeat this maybe 3 to 4 times. Right now I did it only 2 times. And at the end of this exercise, if you measure the pain, it should have gone down. In my case, it's already at a level of 2 just by tapping few times. So the key is that you should continue to use this technique maybe 2 or 3 times a day. Whenever you feel any stress, whenever you feel any pain, use this technique. It's very effective. What scientists had done was they had taken blood samples of 6 people, and in a normal person who is healthy, the blood flows like a river, while in an unhealthy person, the blood sample will show a swamp-like structure. That means the blood cells are all clotted close to each other. So after selecting those unhealthy people and by doing this technique on them for 5 minutes, when they observed their blood again under the microscope, they found the blood was flowing like a river, like a healthy person. So people who have suffered from cancer, people who have had severe injuries, people who have had so much trouble in their life, they all claim that this technique has been very effective in getting rid of those issues. So I hope you will be able to use this technique to bring health, happiness and joy in your life. Have a fantastic day, and if you like this video, please subscribe to it, press the bell icon and like my video. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful and safe time during COVID-19.